Hello guys and assalamualaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel BP Shine. I hope you all are doing well and by the grace of Allah I am also fine, alhamdulillah. So today's video is going to be very interesting because in this video I am sharing with you an amazing and latest collection of nature inspired jewelry designs including necklaces, bracelets, earrings and many further jewelry types. Okay, now move to the proper introduction of the topic. Nature has always been a profound source of inspiration for artists, designers, and craftsmen. The intricate patterns, vibrant colors, and majestic forms found in nature have influenced various art forms, including jewelry design. Nature inspired jewelry designs have become increasingly popular as they not only add a touch of elegance to one's attire but also serve as a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Now let's move to the important types of nature-inspired jewelry design. First one is the floral jewelry, inspired by flowers, leaves, and branches. Floral jewelry designs feature intricate patterns and motifs that mimic the beauty of botanicals. Second one is tree of life jewelry, symbolizing the interconnectedness of all living things. Tree of Life jewelry designs often feature intricate branch work and roots, different types of leaves, stars on your earrings, your jewelry patterns. Yeah. Third one is sea inspired jewelry, drawing inspiration from the ocean's waves, shells, and marine life. Sea inspired jewelry designs often feature calming blues and greens. Fourth one is the bird inspired jewelry featuring motifs of birds, feathers, and wings. Bird inspirational jewelry designs often symbolize freedom and beauty. There is also another one which is crystal jewelry inspired by the natural beauty of geodes and crystals. These jewelry designs often feature vibrant colors and unique patterns. The symbolism of nature inspired jewelry designs. First is flowers and blooms, symbolizing growth, renewal, and beauty. Second is leaves and branches, representing harmony, balance, and nature's cycle. Third is birds and feathers, embodying freedom, courage, and wisdom. Fourth one is stones and crystals, holding spiritual significance, healing properties, and symbolic meanings. It's time to discuss the art of nature inspired jewelry designs. Organic and free-form designs mirroring nature's unpredictable shapes and patterns. Textured and patterned surfaces recreating the intricate details of natural forms. And last is nature inspired colors, drawing from the earthy tones, oceanic hues, and the floral colors of the nature. Innovative techniques and technologies are pushing the boundaries of nature inspired jewelry design. For example, 3D printing and laser cutting enable designers to create intricate, complex forms that mimic nature's organic shapes. Meanwhile, sustainable materials and practices are becoming increasingly important, with designers prioritizing eco friendly materials, recycling, and waste reduction. Now move to some of important benefits of nature-inspired jewelry designs. Emotional connection. Nature-inspired jewelry designs often evoke emotions and create a sense of connection to the natural world. Second is unique and personalized. Nature-inspired jewelry designs can be customized to reflect individual personality and style. Sustainable and eco-friendly. Many nature-inspired jewelry designs prioritize sustainability and eco-friendliness. Last one is the conversation starter. Nature inspired jewelry designs often serve as conversation starters, allowing wearers to share their love for nature and the environment. So, these are the best choices for those people who love nature. In conclusion, I want to say that nature inspired jewelry designs offer a unique and meaningful way to connect with the natural world. From floral patterns to sea inspired motifs, these designs not only add a touch of elegance to one's attire but also serve as a reminder of the beauty and wonder of nature. So, yeah, that's all for the day, guys. Keep watching the whole video, share your valuable thoughts about the video, and also comment your favorite design here. See you in the next video. If you like the video, do subscribe my channel and share your reviews.